Eswatini, a country that many people still know by its former name, Swaziland. A small African kingdom, a nation of mountains, wildlife reserves, rich traditions, and one of the last remaining monarchies in Africa. Yet, despite its unique identity, Eswatini remains one of the least discussed countries when people talk about working abroad. When people think about migration, they talk about Canada, Australia, Germany, the United Kingdom, or the Gulf countries. But Eswatini? Almost nobody talks about it. And that raises an important question. Could one of Africa's hidden kingdoms offer opportunities that the rest of the world completely overlooks? Because sometimes the opportunities that change lives are hidden in places nobody is paying attention to. But before you get excited, there is something important you need to understand. The Eswatini you see in travel documentaries and the Eswatini you experience as a foreign worker can be two completely different realities. The internet shows beautiful mountains, wildlife, traditional ceremonies, peaceful landscapes, and cultural heritage, but it rarely shows the employment realities, the economic challenges, the cost of living, and the sacrifices required to build a future in one of Africa's most unique kingdoms. Because migration is not tourism, and living in Eswatini is completely different from visiting it. So today, we're going to uncover the complete reality of Eswatini Work Visa 2026, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa pathways, work culture, lifestyle realities, hidden challenges, and the psychological reality of building a future in one of Africa's most unique kingdoms. Because for some people, Eswatini could become a valuable opportunity, but for others, it could become a reality they never expected. Now, first, understand one important thing. Eswatini's economy is influenced by manufacturing, agriculture, sugar production, tourism, retail services, construction, healthcare, education, logistics, and public administration. And honestly, its economic ties with neighboring countries play a major role in daily life. Now let's talk about the capital region. Mbabane, the administrative capital of Eswatini, a city that serves as an important center for government and business activities. And honestly, many visitors are surprised by the peaceful pace of life. But now comes the important truth. Living in a kingdom with beautiful landscapes does not automatically create an easy life. Because migration is not about scenery. It is about employment, financial stability, adaptation, legal status, and emotional resilience. Now let's talk about jobs. This is where reality becomes important. Opportunities may exist in manufacturing, agriculture, tourism, hospitality, education, construction, logistics, administration, and development-related sectors. And honestly, skilled professionals often have a better chance of finding opportunities. But now comes the reality many YouTubers avoid discussing. Opportunity does not automatically mean easy employment. Employers still expect qualifications, experience, communication skills, professionalism, and reliability. And honestly, the strongest opportunities usually go to people with valuable skills and experience. Now let's talk about salaries. Depending on profession and experience, workers may earn $500 to $5,000 per month, while highly specialized professionals may earn considerably more. And honestly, income levels vary significantly depending on industry and employer. But now comes the reality, cost of living, because this is where many newcomers are surprised. Housing costs vary. Imported products can be expensive. Transportation costs matter. And honestly, your ability to save heavily depends on your employment situation and spending habits. Now let's talk about work culture. Respect matters. Relationships matter. Community matters. Professionalism matters. And honestly, adaptability becomes one of the most important skills a foreign worker can possess. Because workplace success often depends on communication, professionalism, flexibility, cultural understanding, and long-term commitment. Now let's talk about visas. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permit pathways. And honestly, preparation matters, research matters, contract understanding matters, and realistic expectations matter. Now let's discuss something social media rarely shows, the emotional reality, because this is the side most migration videos ignore. Imagine moving thousands of kilometers away from home, far away from your family, far away from your friends, far away from everything familiar. That sounds exciting, but it can also become emotionally exhausting. Homesickness, loneliness, pressure, isolation, and honestly, many migrants experience these challenges regardless of how attractive the destination appears. Now, here's another uncomfortable truth. Some people move abroad believing that a new country automatically creates success. But success depends on much more than location. Because success abroad depends on adaptation, discipline, resilience, financial planning, emotional strength, and long-term thinking. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They compare countries through travel videos, tourism advertisements, social media posts, and success stories. That is dangerous, because migration is not entertainment. Real migration means sacrifice, uncertainty, patience, adaptation, discipline, and continuous growth. And honestly, this reality surprises many people after arrival. Now, Eswatini is not for unrealistic migration fantasies, instant success expectations, or people looking for shortcuts. Eswatini is more about adaptation, resilience, professional growth, realistic expectations, and long-term planning. And for the right person, that may become a truly valuable opportunity. Because the truth is, some people spend years chasing famous destinations, while others quietly build meaningful opportunities in countries the world rarely notices. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your skills, your adaptation, your qualifications, and your long-term goals. Eswatini may be one of Africa's least discussed countries, but for the right person, it can offer experiences and opportunities far beyond what most people imagine. And sometimes, the opportunities that change lives are hidden in places almost nobody is paying attention to.